See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
VDM cannot spoil, especially the gadget business. He doesn't have the money to do that. What VDM went to do is just he got the price. Those price is giving you. Do you know the quality of that particular one is giving? He has not even added the shipping cost and clearing of that particular item. He has just given the price over there. Do you know what we are going through just to make it get down to our warehouse? Logistics and everything. If he say he wants to bring in any gadget or anything that will crash the price or do anything, only one man in trade fair will buy his whole container. If we bring 10 container, one man will buy it and lock it. We got to help ourselves. Nobody's coming to help us. So you cannot come and you want me to import something and make 200 naira inside or 300 or 1,000. Many of these people, they make this money, they still go and help people in their village. It's not that they throw it inside their account or they used to, even though they still live lavish, they still help people. The money we are saying is not up to what people in politics are saying. VDM just, it's the first time going to China. You know how VDM they do. Even person will carry and come China, say they want to end. So leave VDM the hustle. His hustle is making this. He want to make fame. He wants to do all those things. He wants to social media. He's trying on that one. But the business you should not go there. You know go. Government no go give you say you bring goods come. You go give you free clearing. You go still pay their charge. As they increase the charge on the steady, either use A or use C. They are increasing it.
So now this is how you know how influential Very Dark Man is. Only one China when I go, just talk about one or two products. They have not rested since then. Now, these people took it upon themselves to start saying that I was fighting evil, even though Nami and B-Lord get problem. B-Lord cannot challenge me, cannot fight me intellectually, strategically, everything. B-Lord cannot stand me. Do you understand? Educationally, B-Lord cannot stand, he cannot lace my boots. So he needed to bring in the Igbos to join and fight me. Do you understand? He needed to bring the Igbos. That's why he emotionally blackmailed them to say you won't fight Igbo man, you won't bring Igbo man business down and blah, 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 blah. So a lot of these Igbo people now join heads together to say, okay, yes, we are going to make this guy our enemy. So every time they try to push a narrative, propaganda, do a lot of things that they want to do. But you cannot take away this fact that Very Dark Man is very influential. Just one man that started in a one room. Poor man picking where get influence, where waka go, just talk small things. Since then, everybody they get headache. Everybody getting headache. Now you say if I go bring container, right? One big man, one Igbo man go just buy and took him inside container, just lock him. It depends on who want to sell. Will I want to sell for him to put it in the container? Will I want to sell to him? That's what you don't know. Everybody have their own strategy and their business. You are right about one thing, that I don't have the money to do this importation, to bring it yet. But guess what? There are a lot of people that want to invest. I'm just taking my time to pick. Just this Morocco I went to, one person I've already said, oh, take 500 million. Yeah, 500 million down. They know I can sell anything. Check the phones that I brought in. The phone was just to test waters. It was just to tell Billard that, see, you cannot extort Nigerians. You cannot buy something at 200,000 naira and you're selling it at 450,000 naira. It makes no sense. You are going to kill the country. You will kill the country. A lot of you do the same thing all in the name of business. I don't have a problem with you. I don't expose you how I expose. See, a lot of you are extorters and you want to crumble the economy of this country. So whatever thing I do as solution to correct this thing, I will do them. So if you are not scared that this boy or this guy, this Very Dark Man guy is going to bring change, then you will not be bothered. A lot of you are scared of me and I know why. It is Very Dark Man. You should be scared. I terrify people. I make bad people shiver. Billard have been restless. I look at him as a fool. You are a thief. You don't have no money. You don't have no clean money. You don't get money past me. Money where you thief. You use people's information to make money. You collect people's data to extort and do fraud. That's what you do. You create an app to meet people. That's why none of your business are properly stood. You say you bring make people they get followers on Instagram, maybe they get likes, but I get likes and followers past you. You say you they give people your account of 3.something million go down. You never feel bring out. Everything about you has been a lie. You're just looking for a way to clean money. You just want clean money. That's what you want to do. You want to clean money. Nothing more. You just want to clean money. Basically, that's what they want to do. You are a fraudster till what end? You are my boy. For life. You are my boy. I am the rattle for a reason. You are my boy. Now I will advise you, and I will say it again, to the Igbos where decide to join all this fight between me and B-Lord. Now Nasabio, Very dark man know they fight you, but one thing I will tell you for free. What I will crash, I will crash. You see the way my phone, the phone when I bring come, if you see the way it sell out, bro. Those phones just sold out. Pa 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 pa. Now let me bust your head. I am building an empire, you know. Ask all the people that return phones. Because I told them from the onset that if you get problem, bring them, they go return and they'll give you your money. Those people bought those phones at 280,000 naira. They paid for delivery. When they came back and said, oh, this phone gets you so problem, ask them how much I gave them. I refunded them and I added extra. Most of them collected extra of 10K. Do you understand? Most of them collected extra of 10K. Then later, we'll take it back to China, then bring it back. These are the models that we want to introduce in Nigeria. Because other countries you go, something is bad, they refund. Nigeria, you don't buy them, you don't buy them. So how far the common man, when no get voice to cry, say, I buy this thing, then no one refund me. Bro, we are looking for solution. What I'm doing in this country is looking for solution to a lot of problems. That's why I must fight a lot of you. The good part is saying, I don't try use juju. If not, we say we stand strong for the spiritual side. Una for don't follow us. Una don't use police. Una don't use everybody. Know the work. Now you people cannot contain it again. Now you can't contain it again. It is only me against all of you. But guess what? In all of this, where everybody they gather against very dark man, I am still not the victim. You guys are still the victim. That's why you're bothered. I never come out and say he's trying to spoil it. No, now this is very dark man. And understand what I want everybody to understand today. Have you ever noticed that if people attack me, nobody say they are trying to bring very dark man down? No, but very dark man. You are trying to bring them down. You are trying to bring them. That is true because I am never the victim. I have made it a structure that you must be the victim no matter what you do on earth. I'm not your mate. You continue crying, my bro. But again, I would like to put this part. Me and Igbo men know they fight. But if you now won't put them like that, that's your business. I'm not apologetic. If you are fighting very dark man as an Igbo man, say very dark man won't fight Igbos. That's your business. I don't send anybody papa. But from my side to you, no. But from your side to me, if it is yes, good for you. The whataap movement. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, you go and learn and you will learn the hard way. And like you all know, if you come for me, you are the victim. If I come for you, you are still the victim. Peace and love.